going on with y'all kin folk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy F baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green, man. Hey, y'all know what time it is, man. Going to work, giving y'all some back of the store reviews or a real ninja review. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any video. We almost at 3K and bruh, please subscribe to the channel. But anyway, man, I'm about to walk into work and y'all know how I do this thing by now, man. So let's go. I'm boy down there still trying to get off, man. Trying to take everybody money. That shit crazy. What's up? What's up? What's up?
This was an 8.
What's going on, Kim? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. What's going on, fellas? Coolin'. What's going on? About to say, what we got back here, man? Oh, never had nothing, man. PGs. What's up, my guy? Man, where your UNC's at?
Fuck that shit with my Duke Kyries on there.
Come on, man. You a Duke guy?
Huh? No, not really.
I was about to say. KD 15. Oh, we got a lot of stuff. KD 14 NRG. Where you at, Ray? What's up, Jen?
Hey, twin.
Hey, UNC in the building. What's up, man? What's going on?
True P on the block.
UNC. Where you got, Obsidians?
Yeah, but
Ooh, everybody showing out today.
She was crazy.
Where your UNC's, man?
Hey, look, I was late, bro.
You was late. It's a North Carolina day, man. Oh, that boy. Damn, now how you feel?
Appreciate it.
You work with UNC fans.
Keep it G. I ain't forget, nigga. I ain't no Del Tar Heels fan.
So who you like, Duke?
Kentucky, man.
Oh shit.
Coach Calipari is a gold.
No, he's not.
We just got a little Rob Dillingham. Come on.
He ain't won nothing in 10 years.
When last time?
I'm about to say, come on, don't do that. Don't do that. And we going back. We going to win it this year.
Did y'all just fall last year?
We lost to Kansas.
That's your fault.
We gonna win it this year.
That's all personal.
Damn. We gonna win it. When last time Kentucky won?
I wish it would have happened.
Never. Anthony Davis, Mr. Glass, street clothes, all that BS. Get him off my team. I'm messing with you. You want me to do a video on?
Yeah, you can do a video. Make a little video, Ray.
Ooh, what's going on, bro? I see we got something else in the bag too, but we only got them in kid sizes. This shit's hard. What the resale on? For our size or his size? That ain't bad though.
It's hard. You know, fall shoes, definitely.
Man, I know, right? Hey, I don't know why they playing with us, but dog, I need them. Y'all see the date? Should I give y'all a review on these or what, man? Ooh, oh, boy, I remember these bringing back some childhood memories, boy. I remember these from back in the day, man. Like, man, y'all wasn't outside. Y'all new booties and everything, man. Y'all killed me. Y'all wasn't outside, man. Stop trying to do this to fit in, man. All right, man, and I'm back in the back of the store once again, man. I know everybody want me to stop. Some people want me to stop. Some people say keep going, so I guess I'm gonna keep going. I don't know. I mean, it is what it is. But I'm about to give y'all these Air Max Penny Ones, bruh, since 1995. Well, they came out in 95, the original release date. Now, I remember those, you know, watching the Lil Penny commercials. Y'all know Chris Rock was the voice of Lil Penny. And see, with Nike basketball, we need to bring some of that stuff back. You see, me, you know, I was born in the 80s, grew up in the 90s, you know, we young, we know. We only in our 30s, so we want that type of stuff back with Nike basketball. Give us some Nike basketball commercials and all that. But y'all ain't came here to hear me talk. Y'all came to see these Penny Ones. Now, this is a grade school size 5.5. So this is the box right here. What the hell? And the color is black, varsity royal, white, and this is the Orlando colorway. Like I said, this is a size 5.5. Y'all read that tag, grade school size. Drop the top like PT. Got your white paper in there. I see that white paper. Whew! Popping my mouth, I'm sweating. I'm literally sweating because it's hot as a mud back here. God dang it, man. Them boy about to bake us in this bad boy, you feel me? You know, see that boy back there behind me? They trying to overwork us, man, you feel me? They killing us. But nah, they said we can't get no Chicago's when they come out of October.
Chicago's, baby.
Hey, I need my Chicago's. They come out on my birthday. Well, my birthday month, so. But anyway, here we have it, the Air Max Penny 1. Dog, I have never had this sneaker, and this sneaker is a must for me. Whew! I don't know what else to say, man, but let's check out that outsole. You know, we got that blue Nike check on that outsole. Heading up onto the midsole, it's outlined in that white, and we do have our Air Max bubble in the back, that air bubble. And then heading up, we do have our giant blue, our royal blue. Shout out to Royal Blue Pure White. Shout out all my Sigmas out there, you feel me? But we got that royal blue giant swoosh right there, man. And also heading up onto the tongue. Y'all can see it right there. We got our black and blue pull tab. We got our blue sock liner. And on the back, we have our 1 cent. And we got that black upper with that new buck, man. That, whew. Ain't no booty backstroke motion on this one, though. Ain't no booty backstroke motion on this, you feel me? But, dog, I don't know what else to say, man. But this is a sneaker that I must have. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. And they going for the low, too. 170, releasing on July 1st. So we got a lot of stuff coming up in July, man. Damn, I'm gonna be broke, y'all. I'm gonna be broke, man. Dang. But nah, man, I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll, man, so we can go ahead and I'm gonna get y'all out of here. Air Max Penny 1. Y'all let me know in the comment section below, is this a pickup for you? Definitely a pickup for me. I wish I could double up because, like I said, I never had this sneaker. And I don't know when these sneakers are going to release again. I can't even remember when the last time they came out. I want to say around maybe 2012, but they were bringing in different colorways. Like they had red and white and all that. And I need the OG, man. I need the OG things. And with the pennies coming back out, I hope they release some foams, man, because I definitely need some more foams in my collection. But they told me earlier foams dead. But anyway, I appreciate y'all for coming through. As always, rocking out with your boy. Like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. It's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. And as always, sending everybody love, peace, and all this beef. Throw some chicken grease on that thing. I'm out of here.